Let's check a great feature of DappLooker that really simplifies your analytics on our platform. This feature is a great way to have automated dashboards created for you within seconds. So let's check this out. You like what you see? Let's explore the feature called the xRay feature. So to get started with it, you go to browse data and select the project that you would like to perform analytics on. For this example, let me go to Aave v3 on Ethereum. Here I can see all the data in a easy to navigate data schema. Now let's check out our xRay feature and the automated dashboard creation. To do that, let me first show you the data inside the borrows folder. You can see all the data that's there inside the borrows folder here. But here's where it gets interesting. If you hover over the borrows data, you can see this lightning button here. Uh, just click on the lightning button to x-ray this table. And there you go. You have a perfectly created automated dashboard available to you within seconds. You are free to use any charts from this dashboard for your own custom analytics and your own custom dashboards. To do that, I just quickly click on the dashboard title and I save it, in the collection that I would like to save it. And when it says add this to a dashboard, I select yes, and then I can choose the dashboard that I would like to add it to, and it will be added. To show you, let me just quickly create a new dashboard, and it's called the Aave v3 Ethereum dashboard, and I click yes, create, and it added the chart to my dashboard. I click save and my dashboard is ready. Thank you for checking out this feature. We're going to bring you more exciting features, so stay tuned and enjoy your x-rays. Happy analytics.